everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer and I blog over at Where To Now Jenny. It's a travel blog where I talk about our adventures and travel packing tips and videos like this. This video is going to be what's in my carry-on for our upcoming trip overseas. We are traveling to Rome, Italy on Friday and boarding the MSC Divina for a cruise of the Western Mediterranean. So let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the bag. This is the bag I'm taking. It is the anti-theft signature tote from Travelon. I got this from eBags, but you can find it everywhere. Amazon. I think I've even seen it at Target. I usually take a backpack as a carry-on item, like a personal item to go under the seat. But for this trip, my luggage is a backpack, so I wanted something different that maybe I could carry as a crossbody or a tote. So this seemed to fit the bill. Got a lot of good pockets on the outside, and if I was in a situation where I had a suitcase, it has a trolley sleeve on the back. So you can slide this over the handle of your luggage and it just sits on top of your suitcase and you can just roll along without having to carry two bags, which is a nice feature to have. A lot of the Vera Bradley travel bags have that feature and I really like it. On the front, it's got a small pocket right here. Little slip pocket for your cell phone or sunglasses or something you would need quick access to. Sorry, had a hair. And then it has a pocket right here that is a zipper pocket that's sort of hidden. So you could put stuff in there that you still need easy access to, but you don't want people to be able to slide their hand down there and get to it. And then it's got a smaller pocket right here on the front. So let's look inside these smaller pockets on the front first. In this pocket, this zipper pocket, I have our travel documents folder. I get these little accordion files at the Dollar Tree. This one came from Walmart. They're easy to contain all of our travel documents. They're still compact, but I still have everything I need. I have our flight information from Charlotte to Rome, and the train section is kind of empty right now. It just has a map of the airport on how to get to the train station. I didn't buy our tickets for the train yet from Rome to the port because I'm not really sure what time we're going to get there. I mean, I know what time we're going to get there, but like, you know, get through customs and get to the station and all that. So holding off on that, but we'll get those from the kiosk when we get there. Hotel is the confirmation for the one-night pre-cruise hotel we are staying at the port. Boarding is any documents that came from the cruise line. So any excursion confirmations or our internet package, any of that sort of thing, and also the boarding pass to get on the cruise. Insurance is our travel insurance information in case something happens. And then in the luggage section, I just have our luggage tags already in these little plastic containers ready to be attached to our luggage. Probably won't need them because since we have backpacks and just carry-ons, I will probably be carrying those straight onto the cruise. So don't really need luggage tags, but it's kind of nice to have them. All right, so that is everything that is on the outside. Actually, I lied. There is this small little pocket right here, and I forgot I put something in there. I have a little packet of these pain relieving patches. I saw an article in Travel and Leisure that these would help soothe any back pain you have from a long haul flight, and I have already a bulging disc in my neck, so I have a lot of back pain, especially sitting on long flights. So these are, they don't have any scent, so they're not going to bother anybody, but it might make me feel better if my back starts hurting. Now let's get into the bag. One of the features that I like about this bag is that it has the top zipper, and then the zipper and this little hook right here can connect together, and you can't open this bag without me knowing it because you would have to unhook this clip. Actually, let me clip it and I'll show you. So you would just clip these together. So if anybody tried to open it, the clip would stop you from opening it. And that is a really nice feature to have. And actually, nope, that's the only pocket that they have that feature on. Inside the bag, this is what I have inside of it. There's a lot of stuff in here, but it's still surprisingly not very heavy. I still have a few more things to stick in here before we head out. All right, I'm just gonna start pulling things out and show you. I'll probably put the bag on here so it might be easier to see. First thing is this little zippered book that my husband got from work, but it's just one of those gridded systems that hold all your chargers. It's got the chargers for our phone, it's got headphone splitters, it's got charger for my GoPro and my camera, and then it has, I did put an audio cable in here just in case my wireless headphones or my husband's wireless headphones, the battery dies and we still want to listen to stuff, then you can just plug in just the audio cable and listen to it without it being wireless. And then it has this zipper on the side, and I just have in here the headphones that came with our phones. So just the Apple phone headphones. And that is all in there. Next, I have my wireless noise canceling headphones. These are from Sony, and I really like these. The last trip we went on, I tried to just use the earbuds that came with my iPhone, but they were terrible. I could hear everything going on the plane except for the show I was trying to watch on my phone. So it was kind of miserable, and I thought next trip, definitely bringing these because I don't think I could go 8 or 9 hours listening to the hum of the airplane. Let's see. Next, I have a book. I'm gonna read The Woman in Cabin 10. I've heard this is a good mystery about a woman on a cruise ship, so I thought it would be fitting. I've brought this book on trips before and haven't actually started reading it yet, so I'm thinking maybe if I have it with me on the plane that I might start reading it and then be more apt to read it on the ship, maybe at night when we have some downtime. But I'm still toying with the idea of just bringing my Kindle since this book is kind of bulky, but I will see. I'll make a decision before Friday. Next, I have my travel neck pillow. If you saw my pre-cruise haul video, you saw this. If not, I will link it in the cards somewhere and you can check that out. On that same vein, I have my eye mask and earplugs. I like these kinds of eye masks that have the concave bit and then the nose section. So I think they're a little more comfortable on your face, and then you don't feel like there's something constantly pressing on your eyelids, which I think is more comfortable. Next is my travel emergency pouch. If you saw my what's in my travel emergency video, you'll know exactly what's in this bag. If not, I'll link that somewhere in the cards and I'll give you a glimpse of what's inside. It's mostly just things I would need on hand in case I get a headache or I need a band-aid. I mostly keep it on hand with me for the Dramamine because I definitely need this for the flight. Next, I have my prescription medications. This is my prescription for the seasickness patch. I wear these behind my ear so I don't get sick on the cruise. Next, I have one of these padded pouches from eBags. I will link this down below in the description box just in case you're interested. These are really good pouches for like electronics and stuff. They come in a set of 3, so this is the largest one. Then there's a medium and a small. So they have one that just fits like one camera, and then this one I can put all of my equipment in and not have to worry about having a whole bunch of pouches to keep track of when I transfer this mostly to my day pack when we're going on excursions. It's just easy to have all of my camera equipment in one place. So I will show you what's in this bag. First of all, I have my little tripod for my vlogging camera, and then I have this little monopod. I can't bring myself to call it a selfie stick, but that's kind of what it is. Mostly for my GoPro. This is my GoPro. I have the Hero 6. Just got that and excited to use it on our next trip. This is just another piece to the tripod. Then I have my vlogging camera, which is the Canon G7X. I really love this camera. I got a really good deal on it. I got it refurbished from the Canon website. So if you want that camera and you're not really interested in spending $600–700 for it, I would definitely check out the Canon website to see if you can find one that's been refurbished. It's been a great camera and I've had it for a couple of years. So I also have a charger for that camera and then some extra batteries. I have 2 extra batteries for that camera that I got from Amazon. And then I have this little case that keeps all of my, oh, one's trying to get out. It keeps all of my cards, all of my SD cards organized. So it has one side for regular SD cards and then one side for micro SD cards for my GoPro, and it keeps it all organized. And then the last thing in this back pocket is these two little laminated cards that I made. They are just kind of handy Italian phrases that we might need in order to get by. I made two just in case someone else in my party wants to have one, just to carry around in their purse. All right, that is everything in the center portion of the bag. The bag does have this pocket here. It's a little padded. I think it's meant for an iPad or a Kindle. I will probably put my iPad in that pocket when I actually go to pack this bag to leave. And then on this side, it has, these are the RFID pockets. So it has two larger pockets. This one fits a passport. And then it has some pockets down through here that are for credit cards. All I have in it is our passports in this Travel-On case that I got a few years ago. So that is everything that I carry in this bag. I really like this bag. It holds just enough so I don't go crazy and put too much stuff in it, and it's only the stuff that I need with me during the flight. So I don't want to carry any extraneous stuff. I'm tired of being that person lugging a ton of stuff through the airport. This still is a lot of stuff, but surprisingly this bag is not so super heavy that it's hurting my shoulder when I put it on there. So I like this bag. I'll leave a link to it below if anybody wants to check it out. So that is everything. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram and follow along with our adventure to Italy and the Western Mediterranean, I really appreciate it. And also be on the lookout for my next video, which will be a pack with me video. I'm going to show everything I'm packing and then the backpacks that we're using. So be on the lookout for that. And I will see you next time. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.